So the world is changing. That requires new collaborations, and technology will be at the heart of those new collaborations. That's why our two Prime Ministers in April announced the Tech Partnership. And we're taking that forward at great speed. This is a really dynamic collection of people today at the FutureTech Fest, the latest in our installment of taking forward the Tech Partnership. We have brought together hundreds of scientists, innovators, businessmen, businesswomen, and policy experts to talk about the thought leadership that required to maximize the potential in technology and collaboration between the UK and India.
The engagement of people, people I've talked to from multinational companies to small tech startups to government leaders to civil society. This is just a fantastic opportunity.
Hi everyone, I'm Lyric from Logically. So we kind of specialize in using human and artificial intelligence to detect misinformation, disinformation, and content likely to incite violence. So obviously very topical and very relevant to India at this moment in time.
Hi, I'm Priya Guha, the Ecosystem General Manager for Rocket Space in the UK. It's fantastic to be here at the India UK Future Tech Festival. It's a great opportunity to see the best of UK tech, the best of Indian tech, and the importance this sector will hold for the future of the relationship.
We have an extraordinarily strong tech ecosystem in the UK, building on a depth of talent and expertise which is world-class, and we want that ecosystem to be globally facing, and we want to build as part of that the strongest possible partnership with India.